Hey everybody, this is Fred with Redline Auto Sports. This is our 1972 Custom 10 Deluxe. It's a gorgeous truck. It's factory red and white. Scroll work black interior. It's a true short wide bed. 350 automatic with a 700 overdrive transmission. Really nice torque thrust wheels, power disc brakes, power steering. Really nice fresh 350. Got vintage AC on it that's all brand new. Real nice Edelbrock USA intake and Edelbrock carb. Heartbeat valve covers. This truck has been driven and used by a very conservative couple. And they've shown it in California, Florida, Mississippi, and beyond. The truck is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. I bought it at Texas Motor Speedway this weekend at Good Guys. It's got a tonneau bed cover, beautiful red paint, really pretty interior. The bed cover's painted same color as the truck and it looks great. Inside and out, very nicely done with a rubber mat. Very nice bed liner, and I love this thing. It's gorgeous. Tailgate comes down easy for putting whatever you want on it. Nicely done. It's got LED lights all the way around, full size spare in the bed there under that cover. Nice new chrome bumpers, tail light housings, and backup lights work. These are on shocks, so they sit up really super nice. I drove the truck back from Texas Motor Speedway this weekend, 2 hours. She drove perfectly. Solid original floors, trunk quarters, it's never been cut on. It's original cab corners and rockers, and they look great. Factory tack, tilt wheel, wooden Grant steering wheel that's nice. Truck showing 114,934 miles. AC blows cold. It's got electric fans, AM, FM cassette. It's got a little console that's pretty decent. New interior, all new paint everywhere. That looks great. Doors shut excellent. And the LED lights really do shine. Look great. This truck's for sale on our website, redlinemusclecars.com. You can call Fred at 580-221-4326. You can also check us out at redlineautosports.com. True short wides are hard to find. This one has the factory build sheet in it. And the coolest thing is about the factory build sheet is this truck had gray plaid interior from the factory, which makes this a Highlander. Custom deluxe equipment. True 115 short wide from the factory. Truck was originally solid white. Factory 350, and we believe it could be the original 350, but I know it has a 350 in it now. These switches are for the electric fans. The truck runs 170 degrees. We're going to hook those fans up solid to where you don't have to flip a switch. That'll be done before anybody purchases it. Truck's never had any rust. Super nice, super solid. Y'all have a blessed day. RedlineMuscleCars.com.